How to log in Carter's credit card account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your Carter's credit card account using your desktop. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open your preferred web browser and in the search bar simply type Carter's credit card login and simply press enter. Now you will see multiple search results. So simply click on the first official link to proceed to the login page. And once you are in the official website, simply click on the sign in button. And after clicking on that, the sign in menu will pop up. From there, you simply have to enter the email address or your username linked to your account. And once you're done with that, simply move to the password field and carefully type in your password. And to double check your password, you can simply click on the show button to reveal what you have typed. And if you have forgotten your password, you can simply click on forgot username/password under the sign in button and you will be prompted to follow on-screen instruction to reset it. And if you want to stay logged in, you can simply check the remember me box. However, if you are using a public or shared computer, make sure to uncheck it for security reason. And finally, after ensuring everything is correct, you can simply click on sign in button and you will be logged in to your Carter's credit card account. And that's it. With this, I hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.